Here's SimplyFun's game of speed and geometry called Whiz. To explain the game, I have set out the different shape cards, the Whiz cards, and so there's two different types of shape cards. There are the easier shape cards, and then the more difficult or advanced ones. So they're separated by color. You can play only with the blue cards, which are the basic cards, and then as you start to go into more abstract shapes that would not have specifics regarding number of sides, you might need to use working on circumference of a circle, those types of ideas. You can add in the green cards. So basic play is that each player has 3 cards in front of them, and we're gonna flip over the Whiz card, and so that's what you're trying to find out of your 3 cards that you're playing with. And so one line of symmetry. So I have to try and envision, let's see, that one could be cut in half this way, and so would that be a line of symmetry there? No, because that would reach, this tip would not be even. This one, let's see, it couldn't be cut in half here, but it could be cut in half here, so that's an option. And this last one is a rectangle, which has 2 lines of symmetry. So the good news is that once you decide which card you want to play, you pick it up and put it with the Whiz card. The first player to do that and have it correct, which everybody gets to check it on the back. So we're able to see that the card that I played on its shape's properties, line of symmetry 1. So I would get this Whiz card, and it would go into my collection of cards that I've earned. You can play until you have a certain number reached, or you can play for a length of time and then count out who has the most yellow Whiz cards, and then that would be the winner. Notice the concepts that are being worked on in this geometry game are the number of sides, the different lengths of sides, total area and perimeter, number of parallel sets, lines of symmetry, and the angles that are less than 90 degrees and angles that are greater or equal to 90 degrees. So there's lots to gain from this particular game called Whiz by SimplyFun.